Hi everyone, welcome to KLE Society's YJ Kulgude College of Education, Athni. Guidance by Dr. Srimati N.C. Patil Madam, Biological Teacher in YJ Kulgude College of Athni. Project Method. Pedagogy of School Subject presented by Kiran Hankande, studying in B.Ed second year in Athni. Contents of Project Method. Introduction of Project Method, Definition of Project Method, Principle underlying Project Method, Essential steps of Project Method, Criteria of good Project Method, Merits of Project Method, and last one is Demerits of Project Method. Introduction of Project Method. Lecture method is the most commonly used method of teaching science. It is a teacher-controlled and information-centered approach in which the teacher works as a sole resource in classroom instruction. Definition of Project Method. The lecture is a pedagogical method whereby the teacher formally delivers a carefully planned expository address on some particular topic or problem, says by James Michael Lee. Principle of Project Method. Principle of freedom. The students are free to select the topic and execute the work according to their will and wish, interest, attitude, and capacity. The teacher just a guide and give a guidelines to execute that. Principle of activity. Project means the purposeful activity. At the end of the project, the students gain knowledge through their activity. It is based on the principle of learning by doing. Steps of Project Method. Proposing. It is important for the teacher to consider the students' needs, abilities, and interest at the step of lesson. Second one is planning. No matter how students are young students are, they can always offer very good suggestion. Third one is executing, carrying out activities as planned. Evaluation, judgment of the finished product. Criteria of a project method. Selected topic should have educational value and it should be worthwhile. It should not take over time. It should be challenging in nature. Cost and availability of material should be kept in mind. It should be selected according to the will of mind. Merits of the project method. Based on various psychological laws and principles, develops self-confidence and self-discipline among the students. Provides ample scope for training. Provides scope for independent work and individual development. Promotes habits of critical thinking and encourages the students to adopt problem-solving methods. The children are activity participants in the learning task based on principle of activity, reality, effects, and learning by doing etc. Develops discovery attitude in the child. Provides self-motivation as the students themselves select, plan, and execute the project. And last one is demerits of project method. It absorbs a lot of time with the result that the quantity of knowledge suffers. The whole syllabus, especially for more advanced classes, will be included in a connection of projects and it is difficult to finish the syllabus in the limited time. It is expensive in the sense that a well-equipped library and a laboratory are required and the same time the pupils have to bear the expenses on excursion and other visits etc. The teacher will have to be exceptionally gifted, knowledgeable as well as alert and helpful. The last step of project method is conclusion. The project method is a teacher facilitated collaborative approach in which students acquire and apply knowledge and skills to define and solve realistic problems or using a process of extended inquiry. Thank you very much.